Hello everyone, my name is Atif Khan and I am from Akola, Maharashtra. I have recently completed my BE in IT, and my main my main reason to join Awdiz is that uh, I want to work in a organization which does not require any coding experience, any coding language, or any coding work, because I'm not interested in doing coding. I have searched on Google for many job roles like data analytics, Windows administrator, Linux administrator, and for by searching these job role, I found that Awdiz is providing job guaranteed program for in just 2 months of tenure. So I contact them, I inquire them, and I take the course from them. And one important thing is that they are providing the EMI option that will help the student like us, which are financially backward. So they are they what they promise they do. They are genuine. So look, I got placed in a quest. My card is there, and within within 1.5 month I got placed in this company, and I'm doing internship at this, and today I have a 20 CTC here in Quest, and after 3 or 4 months I'm getting a call from same Audis for permanent job role, which will be accommodated from 25 to 30 CTC. So thank you so much.